One of the most common questions during this bear market is, will cryptocurrency survive? Here's why I think crypto has a permanent part in our future. But first, I want to hear your thoughts in the comments. Do you think crypto's here to stay? Let me know and follow for more crypto related content. I'm just going to say it straight up. Cryptocurrency is here to stay. A lot of projects may be shaken out over the next year or so as the bear market recovers, but the big names are not going anywhere. Cryptocurrency has revolutionized finance and payment processing. If you're watching this video, you know what cryptocurrency is. It's already changed how we view peer-to-peer and international transactions. We're already seeing much faster and more secure payments going all over the world. But what about outside of finance? Blockchain technology is already changing the world, and many of the biggest companies in the space have already integrated blockchains into their future business plans. Smart contracts built into the blockchain have made it very easy to validate documents. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, use these smart contracts to validate that an NFT is actually yours based on previous transaction history. If your wallet matches the most recent one on the smart contract, then that NFT is yours. This is most commonly used for art pieces. Many of you have probably seen Bored Apes. This can be applied to any kind of document. Think of personal IDs, driver's licenses, business documents, legal documents, medical records, transactions, anything like that. The possibilities really are endless. Say I'm trying to sell a car for 20 Ethereum, roughly $20,000 at today's price. Now, most cars you need to use a pink slip to prove your ownership. But think about it this way. If I had an NFT that was able to track mileage, maintenance records, previous owners, legal documents, anything that goes into purchasing a car, all of it would just be on one single smart contract. All that would need to happen would be for a buyer to transfer 20 Ethereum to my wallet, and then the smart contract takes care of the rest. It would immediately transfer that NFT directly to their wallet, proving that the car is now theirs. Any sort of fraud, anyone trying to say, hey, that's my car, all you'd have to do is pull out that NFT and say, hey, my wallet was the last transaction that this happened on, this is my car. Simple as that. All that to say, yes, the cryptocurrency market is in a tough spot right now, and things could be getting worse. With that said, blockchain technology is already growing, and in a few years, it's going to be everywhere, all around us, and that includes cryptocurrency by extension. Anyone holding crypto right now will be a pioneer to that future. Despite the hardships that we're seeing now, people in the future are going to look back to now and think, man, I really wish I got back in the 2022 market crash. It's happened time and time again, and it's going to continue happening time and time again. I intend to be there for every single step of the way. Good luck in your trades, and let me know what you think down below in the comments.